Not bad for a budget build. The E hybrid, like I said, they're small.
Hello. Come in?
Yeah.
What's your name? What's in here, man?
Alright, TikTok, it's Hella Hertz, and on YouTube, Hella Hertz on TikTok, and on YouTube, it's Hella Bass Guy.
Alright.
But I got 9 E hybrids from Directronics, so they're 1K RMS each. Got them, they're D2, so they're wired 3 each per amp, 1.34 ohms.
Okay.
On 3 Slapshot 5Ks. And then I have 16 mids and highs on the 2 Slash Minis.
You built this?
I didn't build the wall. River Law, I'm sure you know who he is.
Yes.
He built the wall with Mike Petty. I bought the Jeep from Mike Petty.
Okay. What's this up? Okay.
With both alts already built. The wall already built, both alts. I bought the Jeep. Put everything in here. I tuned it. Set everything. Set all the amps from my did all the tuning. Set all the install. I got 2.8 behind each seat. As well. And then I built these door pods out of Walmart fiberglass. The E hybrid, like I said, they're small.
They are?
The box is a little too big. My rise is almost 4 ohms.
Really?
But I'm still doing a 58 and a kick at 33 hertz.
You meter 58. Okay.
Yeah.
What are the RMS on these?
1K RMS.
1,000. Okay.
Yeah, like I said, they're from Directronics. They're the one that's got the upgraded SA, basically SA round, and then the upgraded spiders and all that.
You happy with it?
Yeah, I'm happy with it. They do good. Like I said, the box is a little too big, so it's like 10.2 cubes too big. So I'm sure if I shrunk it, I was thinking maybe sandbags and then tweaking the port to match the size. Yeah, a long peak, but the box is 27 cubes, so it's 3 cubes per cell.
Right, a little bit. That's big, yeah.
So, but it's specs call for 1.8. But I figure if I tweak a little bit, I could probably do a 62 on bird.
That'd be crazy. All right.
Yeah. I'll give it something a little bit higher and then something low.
Okay. See where that one goes up?
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description.
Let's shoot her. Used to. Let's shoot her.
Awesome, dude.
Not bad for a budget build.
That's great.
It's the E-hybrid, like I say, they're small.
Yeah.
The box is a little too big. My rise is almost 3 or 4 ohms.
Really?
But I'm still doing a 58 and a kick at 33 hertz.
You meter 58. Okay.
Yeah.
What are the RMS on these?
1K RMS.
1,000. Okay. I appreciate the demo, dude.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
After a budget build.
You did good. Can I take a picture real quick?
Yeah, man.